Yes, it is possible to purchase liability insurance on a per-job basis. This is a common option for part-time contractors who only work on a few jobs each year. There are several advantages to per-job liability insurance. Firstly, flexibility is a major benefit. You only pay for insurance when you are actively working on a job. This can save you money compared to an annual policy. Secondly, convenience is another advantage. You can easily purchase insurance for each job you undertake without having to worry about renewing a policy. Thirdly, by purchasing insurance on a per-job basis, you can avoid any gaps in coverage if you work with different construction companies that have varying insurance policies. However, there are also considerations to keep in mind. Cost is one factor to consider. Per-job insurance can be more expensive than an annual policy, especially if you work on multiple jobs throughout the year. Availability is another consideration. Not all insurance companies offer per-job liability insurance. It's important to shop around to find a company that suits your needs. Furthermore, in addition to the premium, you may have to pay additional fees such as application or inspection fees. So, how do you purchase per-job liability insurance? 1. Contact an insurance broker or agent. They can help you compare quotes and find a policy that meets your specific requirements. 2. Provide details of the job. The insurance company will need information about the job site, the scope of work, and the estimated value of the project. 3. Get a certificate of insurance. Once you have purchased insurance, the company will issue you a certificate of insurance that you can provide to your clients or construction companies. If you are a part-time contractor who works on a few jobs per year, per-job liability insurance can be a good option. It provides flexibility, convenience, and avoids coverage gaps. However, it's important to carefully consider the costs and availability of per-job insurance before making a decision. This type of insurance is designed to protect your business from financial losses if you are found liable for damages or injuries caused by your work. Liability insurance typically covers things like property damage, bodily injury, and legal expenses. The amount of coverage you need will depend on the size and scope of your business. It is important to carefully consider your options and choose a policy that provides adequate protection. When shopping for liability insurance, be sure to compare quotes from multiple insurance companies. You should also ask about any discounts that may be available. Many insurance companies offer discounts for contractors who have a good safety record or who are members of professional organizations. Before you purchase a policy, be sure to read the fine print carefully. You should understand what is covered and what is not. You should also be aware of any exclusions that may apply. It is important to choose a policy that provides the coverage you need at a price you can afford. If you are not sure what type of liability insurance you need, you should consult with an insurance broker or agent. They can help you assess your risks and choose a policy that is right for your business. Remember, liability insurance is an important investment for any contractor. It can protect your business from financial ruin if you are sued for damages or injuries. Be sure to shop around and choose a policy that provides adequate coverage at a price you can afford. Some insurance companies specialize in providing insurance to contractors. These companies may be able to offer you a better price or more comprehensive coverage than a general insurance company. It is worth checking with a few different insurance companies to see what they have to offer. In addition to liability insurance, you may also need other types of insurance, such as workers' compensation insurance and commercial auto insurance. Workers' compensation insurance covers medical expenses and lost wages for employees who are injured on the job. Commercial auto insurance covers vehicles that are used for business purposes. It is important to have all of the insurance coverage you need to protect your business. You can purchase liability insurance from a variety of sources, including insurance companies, insurance brokers, and online insurance marketplaces. It is important to compare quotes from multiple sources to find the best price. Before you purchase a policy, be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Make sure you understand what is covered and what is not. If you have any questions, be sure to ask the insurance company or broker. Once you have purchased a policy, be sure to keep it up to date. If your business changes, you may need to adjust your coverage. You should also review your policy periodically to make sure it still meets your needs.